Hello all, welcome to C Programming Learning. In this video, we'll understand how to check whether the given year is leap year or not. In a leap year, there are 366 days instead of 365. So let's start with an hash include new file. So I'm going to put first of all my header file hash include stdio.h, and then I'll start with my integer main function as always. So I'm going to write down my integer main function. Inside integer main function, I'm going to put one variable integer year. So let's ask the user whether which year we would like to check the year is leap one or not. So enter year, I'm going to ask like this, and then I'm going to use a scanf statement to read the same output. So here I'm writing down %d because that is for integer, and I'm going to assign that to year. So here is I have taken year. Now let's start with the mathematical operation for the year calculation. So I'm going to start with year modulo 4 equals to 0, and first then ampersand, and year is, so this is like something mathematical. Year 100 modulo is equals to again equal to 0 I want it, and then what I'll do is I'll check logically or year modulo 400, because that will get repeated by 400 years. So here like this, and let's complete the if one. If it is like that, the print f like this year is leap year. So I'm going to print one line %d is leap year, and then let's put year if it is like that, and then what I'll do is if it is like that, then the given year is leap year, else the given year is not. So I'm going to copy this, and I'm just is not a leap year, and then what I'll do is I'll use a return 0 like this, and right now save this file. So year.c and build it. So here what is the error is like we have to use one more. So here I'm going to use more, and now we will check again the build. So build finished with 0 error. Let's check. So I'm going to put 1996. Okay, so 1996 and check. So 1996 is a leap year. I'll check for 1995. So one again I'm putting let's run it again, build and run it again. So here is the error it is showing again. What is the error? Okay, I got printed it here. So let's run and again 1995. So it cannot be a leap year because 1996 was a leap year. So 1995 must not be a leap year. So it is showing us the correct result. So this way you can find out whether the given year is leap year or not. I hope you understood today's program. Thank you.